everyone, welcome to this tutorial about widgets. I'm Stephanie, the community manager here at B1G1, and I'll be taking you through the tutorial today. So, what are widgets? Widgets are a really quick and simple way for you to access and share information from apps such as B1G1. There are many widgets out there, and chances are you're already using some, you just may not be aware of it. So here are two examples of very commonly used widgets. So this one right at the top, that's a calendar widget. So if you're using an iPhone, you've probably seen this calendar widget telling you about meetings that are coming up or just what day it is today. And this one here below, that's a weather widget. So it'll tell you the weather where you are, and it's actually pulling information from the main app and showing it to you in a quick and easy way. So similarly, we have many widgets on B1G1 that will show you your impacts in simple and easy ways. Now, I won't keep you in suspense anymore. Let's go right into what's available on B1G1. So I've just logged into my B1G1 account, and I'm going to show you where to find your 9 widgets. First widget first, you'll find that in Giving Stories, which is in this first tab up in the top here. So if you click on that, it'll take you to your Giving Stories page. And then just choose the Giving Story you want. Let me slide myself across. So let's say I'm going for that first one. I'm going to hover over these 3 dots in the top right. These 3 dots. So if I just hover over it and click Embed, I'll find my widget. So that's 1. And the remaining 8 are all in one spot, which is up here in the top Share tab, this one right here. So if I click on that, and then the second option is Impact Widgets. I click that, and then it'll take me to this page where the remaining 8 of the widgets are. Okay, so those were all the 9 widgets on B1G1, and if you want to share some of them, you can easily do it through the Embed feature. Let me show you how to do that. I've popped on over back to the B1G1 account. So let's say I'm on this page, and I really want to use this Impact Goal widget so that everyone knows where I am in hitting my goal. How to use this widget? So first off, you can customize it. You can set, for this instance, you can set your goal, you can change the color, then you click Save. And to use it, just click on this red button that says Embed Widget. A code pops up. If you click on Copy the code, it just copies the code. All you have to do now is go over to your website, paste this code onto your website, and this widget will appear looking exactly like that. So that's the same for all the widgets on B1G1. Alright, so we've come to the end of the tutorial, which means you now know everything to know about the widgets on B1G1. But if you have any questions, you're always welcome to email us at team@b1g1.com or to just find out more through various articles we have available.